Do you know you can make up to $8,000 from one song? And what if I told you you don't have to produce that song yourself? You let AI do it for you. Yes, that's right. Introducing Suno AI. Suno AI is a website where you can produce music. You let AI produce music for you. And I'm going to show you how to do a tutorial, how to produce music by yourself. But before we get into that, if you like videos like this, do well to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, turn on the bell notification so you get videos just like this when I drop a new video for you. So let's get into Suno AI. You just hit here, making a song, and it's gonna log you into Suno AI. So the thing about Suno AI is that go to create. I already did some demo here for an Easter song. You know, Easter is coming up, so I decided to make a demo. Right now I have 2,450 credits. It was about 2,500 credits, and that's for the subscription. I took the subscription. But if you are trying it for the first time, you have, I think, 10 credits. You produce just, I think, about one song for those 10 credits, and you have to subscribe. So I already subscribed, and these are my demo music. So when you want to start producing a song, you need to go to the default for Suno AI producing a song is not up to 2 minutes, but to make it more than 2 minutes long, you go to ChatGPT to write it for you. So here I just wrote create a unique Afrobeats music lyrics about Easter. So it gave this to me, the chorus, the verse two, and everything, the bridge. So here's a full song that lasts about more than 2 minutes. I already created the song right here on Suno AI. Let me give you a demo of the song. So here's the full song. Let me play it for you. And the rhythm of the drums, Easter comes alive. Celebration of renewal, joy takes a dive. From Lagos to Accra, the spirits in the air. We dance to the beat, hearts free from despair. Easter in the air, vibes so sweet. Beneath the African sky, we all meet. With every step, we feel the beat. In this Afrobeat, groove, our souls complete. Gather round the table, with family and friends, feasting on jollof rice. The laughter never ends. So I don't want to play everything because it's going to waste time. I just want to show you how to produce something similar to this. So it's very easy. Can you believe that this beautiful music was produced using AI? Everything using AI. I didn't have to sing. I didn't. ChatGPT just wrote it for me. Then I put it in here and it produced a song for me. But I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. So the first thing that you do is to come here and change this from V2 to V3. You have access to V3 when you subscribe. So hit V3. It's an upgrade, and you just have to put a song description here. But before you do that, hit custom mode. You can put in the lyrics of your own song created using ChatGPT. Just hit ChatGPT, collect the first verse, the first and second verse produced from ChatGPT, and you paste it. So just copy it like this up to verse 2 and the chorus. The reason why we're doing that is because it can produce it. Suno AI can produce it everything on a go. So you have to break it down. The next one will be the bridge and the chorus. So we ended at the second, the verse and the chorus. So we'll go back to Suno AI and put it on our own lyrics. So you can generate lyrics, but I prefer to write it using ChatGPT. I want a unique uh, lyrics. So when I put my lyrics in here, uh, describe the style of the music. So here I wanted a female voice. If you want a male voice, you say male voice. So I said female voice, Afrobeats. So my genre is Afrobeats, and I want a female voice. So I just put female voice, Afrobeats, then they enter the title of the song. So I did Afro Easter beat. Since it's an Easter song, I did Afro Easter beats. Let me differentiate it by putting one. Then hit create. So in a matter of seconds, it's gonna create the first. So it does two versions, version one and version two, and you have to listen to it and see if it's something you want to go ahead with. All of them have these arts that come with it, generated by the AI itself. So let's play the first one. In the rhythm of the drums, Easter comes alive. A celebration of renewed joy takes a dive. As you can see, it's singing what I wrote from it. Lagos to Accra, the spirit's in the air. I'm not really feeling this one, but as you can see, it's singing what I wrote it. Let's try the second one. In the rhythm of the drums, Easter comes alive. A celebration of renewed joy takes a dive. Guys, can't you see this is amazing? I did not know this existed until now. So the power of making money using music, AI music, it's unbelievable right now. You don't have to sing, you don't have to play any musical instruments of any type. You just put in the words, your lyrics generated from ChatGPT, and you can make money as fast as possible. So there's no telling how much money you can make from this, considering that you can make up to $8,000 from just one music. If you make 10 songs, if you produce 10 songs using Suno AI, the amount of money you can make is infinite, guys. I recommend you give this a try. So when you like it, you just give it a thumbs up or you give it a thumbs down. If you don't like it, you give it a thumbs down and it disappears immediately. But these are the ones that I produced earlier and I liked it, especially this is the first part that I actually this is the first part. In the rhythm of the drums, Easter comes alive. This is part two. So to link it, if you like it, like I gave it a thumbs up like this, that means that I want to continue in these beats. So what I do is I hit these three dots. If you want to continue in this same beat, you hit the three dots, then you go to continue from this song. When you hit continue from this song, you scroll down here, you'll see it, the song that you liked, telling AI that it should continue using these beats in this particular first part. So if I hit continue, two more songs are gonna be produced using this reference. So it's gonna come up in a bit, then I'm gonna show you. And as you can see, it is linked. It said this is part two. So this is part one and this is part two. So it gives you two versions and you have to choose one that you like. If you hit the thumbs down, it disappears. If you hit the thumbs up, it stays. So let's try it again. In the rhythm of the drums, Easter comes alive. You see, that's a different version. In the rhythm of the drums, Easter comes alive. As you can see, guys. So if you like it, you hit a thumbs up. And this is a full song of one that I already created before. So when you're done with the first verse, you edit this. You go back to ChatGPT, you take the second, from the bridge to the outro, you copy it and you paste it, and it's gonna give you a similar song. So come back here, we've already exited the last one, so just paste it there and go down here to continue from this, and you hit continue with the V3 alpha. Is gonna give you continue again, says part two, because it believes that this is part one and this is part two. So when you're done with the part ones, two, and three, this part one, two, and three, and you want to combine everything, to get the whole song, and it's gonna combine parts 1, 2, and 3 into a full song like I just did right here. So as you can see, it's very easy, guys. It's easy to make money nowadays using AI, and this is just one of them. Using music, music can be consumed worldwide. That means you have a huge audience worldwide listening to your song, and you can make up to $8,000 for just one song. And let's take, for example, you produce 10 songs. You produce 10 songs. 10 songs times $8,000 for one song is $80,000. That's a full-time income. People's full yearly income here in the US. So I'm really recommending you to give this a try. Let me know how it goes. And if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about AI and how to make money using AI, hit that subscribe button, share this video, and leave a comment in the comment section on what you'd like to see in the next video. See you in the next one.